So when we get to the barbell deadlift, the first thing we will start off with is called the RDL, or the Romanian deadlift, which is simply put a partial deadlift. So typically we'll pick it up off the ground. So we do want to be careful. So we're starting with our feet about hip width apart, knees slightly bent, butt goes back. We're trying to keep our spine as straight as possible, nice and braced, and we're leaning down to pick up that bar, and try to use your legs to pick up the bar as much as possible. So we initiate the movement with the slight knee bend and the butt going back. All right, so this is the main part of the deadlift that I want you to learn as a beginner, is keeping your spine nice and straight, which requires you to keep your all the muscles around your midsection and your back nice and tight, keeping your shoulders tight because it is holding onto the bar without letting your shoulder fall forward and rounding, and having the glutes and the hamstrings to take most of the movement, the tension from this exercise. So we're bending at the hips to go down, and on the way up, we're simply pushing with your legs and squeezing your butt to bring your body back up to this nice, tall, standing position. That's the RDL, Romanian deadlift, or the partial deadlift with a barbell.